What's up, people? It's your girl Alyssa coming to you with another video. I have missed you guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to get into another hair video. We're going to do some nice popping pin curls, and I have a few new products to try out by Amika. So this brand is sold in Sephora, and I actually went to go get my hair done by one of my line sisters, and she used this, and I felt like the shampoo really worked good for me. My hair smelled good, and it got my hair really clean. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go out and try this. And this here is like, it's called a detangling primer, which is what you would put on prior to blow drying. It says it decreases the blow dry time, etc., etc. Okay, and then I have the conditioner. So currently right now, this is like a Beauty Insider for 100 points. So I got two, and I'll be trying this out today. This is the Soulfood Nourishing mask from Amika. So we just doing a whole Amika get down today. So we're going to see how this turns out for me at home. It did really good when I went to the shop to get my hair done. But girl, y'all know when you try it for yourself, things don't always turn out how they seem. So if you're interested in seeing how to get your curls popping, then just keep on watching. Alright, so today the plan is I'm just going to go ahead and go wash my hair and come back with my thoughts about the shampoo. On my last hair video, when I used all of the new luster products that I received, I did take you guys to the kitchen to like wash my hair, and it was so cute and vloggy type. But today we're going to focus on the curls. So I will go wash my hair, and I'm going to come back and let you guys know how I like the shampoo. Okay, I'm back with my hair freshly washed. And I would like to say that the shampoo is really nice. Like, it smells really good. All of the products pretty much have the same smell, which I do like because it smells good. This is like their repair shampoo, and I was able to really comb through. It did not get tangled, and it smells good. Like, I really be stuck on my hair getting clean, so that's what I struggle with. I usually have to wash my hair about 4 times for it to actually smell some type of way, and I'm like, you know what? I need to switch up my shampoo. So currently I'm like in the process of like trying to find a new hair regimen. So this is the beginning of that. Hopefully this can stay a part of the regimen. So far so good. I'm gonna give it like 4 ChicMarieB stars out of 5. Yes. Now we're gonna move on to conditioner. This one is the Nourishing mask. It's called Soulfood. And all it says just penetrate for 5 to 7 minutes, which is great, because I don't plan on keeping it on too long because it is currently 11:57 at night. And I've been planning to do my hair all day, and I'm just now doing it. But let's see how this does. Okay, this actually doesn't smell that good. It doesn't smell like the shampoo. Or this other detangling primer. I smelled that in the store, and it smells really good. I always like to take a shampoo comb and comb through any product that I put on my hair, just to make sure all strands are evenly coated with the product. I don't know why this smells like Ampro black gel. Y'all remember that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Do they still make that? I'm sure they probably do, but that's so biggity bad. That's what it's kind of smelling like. It's reminding me of. Okay, hair. I'm gonna let this sit down for 5 to 7 minutes like it recommended, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and come back, and we're gonna apply this The Wizard and see how this goes. I hope I like it. So far so good though. So I'm back from rinsing out the conditioner, and I think it was pretty cool. It did detangle for sure, but I really don't like the smell. It didn't have enough smell for me. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try, which is the Wizard Detangling Primer. Okay, prevent breakage with a priming spray that heat protects, softens, reduce blow dry time, and powerfully untangles any knot you get into. Mist through damp hair, then do anything. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Oh, okay, it comes out like a damn oil spray. So I'm gonna try not to use too much because I don't really know how this is gonna work, if it's gonna weigh my hair down. But I do want to give it a fair shot. Alright, that's enough. I'm just rubbing it through. It's interesting. It's like a dry oil. You guys know at this point I am going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. But this is what it looks like after just spraying it. I need to brush this down. But yeah, that's interesting. It's like a dry oil. I do feel like it kind of dried my hair a bit, which is also interesting. It has a nice feel. Okay, so I just finished blow drying my hair, and I must say, this did really good. Like, I'm kind of obsessed now, but I can't legitimately be obsessed because I just used it for the first time. But you see I have a lot of body and bounce, and it did to me seem to blow dry quicker. Because a lot of times I usually just walk around the house and let my hair air dry a bit because I don't want to be blow drying all day because it takes a while, you know, and that's like the hardest part. So yeah, now we're going to get into flat ironing the hair. This part is probably really going to be just me flat ironing. I'm probably going to add some music. I'm going to go ahead and put my Silk Essentials from Design Essentials on my hair. And that's all I'm going to add today. Since the Amika primer is supposed to give us heat protectant and, you know, all of that, I'm just going to use that and try to let that shine through. But I do want to add my handy dandy Silk Essentials. So the gist here is to do really tight curls. You want to do really tight curls, and I'm going to pin them, and then you take them down whenever you're ready to roll out. So you want to start off with small pieces in order to get a nice silky curl. And since this part is a little shorter, I'm going to take my smaller flat irons. And I usually have my flat irons on 450, so I don't really try to flat iron it too many times because, you know, that's pretty hot. And then you just want to curl it tight. Like that. Okay, so we're all curled. And you can go ahead and style it if you wanted to now. But I'm going to pin curl it, which is very perfect for when you're about to go to bed, which I am. Because I told y'all it's late. It's 1:51 a.m. right now. Girl, that's why I got that much energy. But I'm going to go ahead and grab some bobby pins. It says rubber bands, but it's bobby pins and rubber bands in here. And it's important to get, you know, the closed bobby pins, like the pins, not hair pins. And I'm just going to show you how I pin curl it. So you start off Try not to comb the curls out. Oh, look at that bounce, girl. You start off with a piece, and I always just twist it, and then I grab my pen and pin it, and it's like pin in the curl, pin curls. So I'm going to do that throughout the entire head. My smaller pieces, I might put a roller instead of like trying to struggle with trying to twist the short hair. But for the longer parts, definitely do the pin curls. It's easier to sleep with as well. If you have long hair, this is perfect for you. Do some pin curls at night. Wake up, take the pins out. You're going. So like I said, I'm going to put some rollers on the shorter part because that's easier to do than to pin curl. So this is great, like if you're going somewhere and you do your hair early and you don't want it to fall, you have to get in the shower overnight. And just when you want that extra curl, girl, that's when I like to do pin curls. I've even worn the pin curls out, like when I do a meter, because they give like a look. Okay, so my hair is in the pin curls and rollers, and I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like after, you know, you chill, you get in the shower, you clean up, you cook, you do whatever it is you need to do. Me, myself, I'm about to go to bed. Tomorrow, it'll be a whole new day when you see me. It's 2:02 a.m. and I got an 8 a.m. client in the morning. Have to do her makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, but I will see you real soon. Okay, I'm back. Now it's time to take down my hair. This is what it looks like the next day. So it's still in place. You know, like I said, the pin curls will really work. They like, kind of like a miracle girl, pinning bitches and you be like, ooh, the next day. So I'm just gonna take them down. I'm low-key in a rush, y'all. Supposed to have been left. It's one of my friends. Oh, I got my ears pierced, y'all. I'm gonna go in detail on another video, but yeah, girl, it's my friend's baby shower, and I'm like helping host and do the games. Y'all know you got to have games at the baby shower, and it starts in about 15 minutes, which I'm not making bad time. I'm up the street, you know, so that's good. I just got to leave. I got to do my hair. But this is why pin curls are so great, because all you do is just take them down and comb it out. And my hair is so soft. That Amika stuff, bomb. So I just went and had to put a little bit of argan oil on it because it was like so curly and just flying everywhere, you know. You need to like tame it down a little bit. But yeah, girl, these curls are popping. And the Amika, my favorite thing is the shampoo and the detangler. Like the primer or whatever they was calling it. And I really just want to wear it like funky and curly and big. So I'm wearing it like this, just kind of wild, crazy, curly, popping curls. And it's like nice and sunny outside. And when the wind blows, it's just going to blow it whatever which way. As long as it's curled, that's all I'm looking for. Yes, you guys. And this is how I do my super curly pin curls. And thank you so much for watching. I love all you guys. I will be back with another video, so stay tuned. If you are not subscribed, subscribe with your girl. And I will see you on my next video. Peace.